All right, we got the lights in. So let me go through the wiring for you. Let's take a zoom in here. Okay, we made these guys. And we figured out red wire is on the long side, black wire is on the short side. All right, so what we do first is, here's where my power, oops, how about this? Here's where the power comes in from the trucks, red wire. I used a piece of copper wire to run across to a PC board that's got a gap down the middle. Same with the black wire. Okay, so I got power there. Then I attached a bridge rectifier to this. Then I stacked another one on top, attached a bridge rectifier so I would get plus and minus. Okay, so then what I did was, since these are green, I use green wire. So start from the red. We go down here into that long side right there. Through the light, out, follow the path around, and in the long side, through the light, out the short side, back up, and then to that resistor right there. And that resistor goes up here, back to the PC board with the bridge rectifier. Okay, now later, I'm going to put a capacitor on there to smooth it out. Right now I've got it just set up so that we can look at it in DC. So let's put this guy on the track. Let's see, what do these green lights look like? And let me go ahead and get you on the track there. All right, now let's turn off some lights. Okay, so now let's get down over here and see what we can see. Okay, let's give it some power. Ooh, there we go. Pretty nice. Let's zoom in. That's going to be a nice effect. That green glow is great. Very nice. And there you have it. So that's wired right there for DC. Now, when I put on the decoder, we move some of these wires around and it'll be DCC. But the lights will still be, thanks to the bridge rectifier, they will still be constant lights.